Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can add more than 5 hashtags on your TikTok posts. So if you think you're limited to just a few hashtags, you need to think again. And because here I'm going to show you how you can optimize your TikTok posts by adding more than 5 hashtags without making your captions look messy. So in here, what you need to do is just click on a plus button and you can just uh, choose the video or photo that you want to upload. Okay, let's say I'm going to just use these photos right here. And now you can just write tags in here. So what you need to do is just choose the hashtag that you want to add. For example, like this. I'm going to go with trending. Let's say TikTok. Okay, like this, you can just hit on done, and after that you can just drag this text and hide it. You can just hide it to the bottom or to the left or right, so it will not be seen on the post. And after that you can just click on next again, and here you can add more hashtag by clicking on this tags icon and add another other hashtag here. So you can have more than 5 hashtags on your TikTok post. So guys, that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks.